How to check iPhone battery health. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and you will see the battery option there. Tap on that and then tap on the battery health and charging option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see your battery's health, which basically is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. So this is how you can see battery health on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.